Hello, I'm Sri Murniani. I'm one of the participants of summer course CSAgri2022, Computer Science for Agriculture, IoT for Smart Urban Farming that held by IPB University. So during the summer course, each participant should prepare the final project, and as can be seen here, this is my final project. The title is Simulation of Temperature and Humidity Monitoring IoT Base. So in this project, I use only the simulator. So if you don't have any hardware yet with you right now, so you can just use the simulator. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so at the first stage, we designed the circuit. So we designed the equipment or the hardware that we use in this project. So for example here, and at the bottom side, there is that indicates the number or the pin or the port number that you can use to connect one each other, the hardware here. So I use the ST22 to measure the humidity and the temperature, and once the measurement done, that will be displayed on this LCD. And microcontroller unit that I use here is ESP32. So that's why you should consider, if you use different microcontroller unit, that probably the pin module here could be different. And at the top side there is a LED. So my scenario here in this project, actually, if the measurement of the sensor here for the temperature is higher than 27 degrees Celsius, so that will be turned on this LED, this LED, and otherwise the LED will remain off. Alright, so next step is open the simulator. So here I use walkme.com as a simulator here. So I believe some of you might be already familiar with the simulator. So I will just go quickly. So for example here, as I said that I use ESP32, so I just click on that. So this is a very familiar simulator, in my opinion. So what you usually do after this is just click and drag. Just find the hardware, the equipment. So for example here I use the ST, so you can just click and drag. And what else? Okay, like you can just add resistor if you want to delete, and just click on that and just delete. Okay, so and then after that, sorry, I need to add a resistor first. Okay, and then after that you can just click on the track, and now we are going to connect each pins. So for example here, if you just click on the hardware here, and the walkme will display the name of the pin and also the number directly. So what should you do? Just click on that, and then because here is ground, so you should connect it with ground, right? Okay, so just like that, and you can change the color if you want, and you can just click on this, just adjust if you want. So you can imagine the line is like the wire, like so you are connected one to another with a wire. So yeah, okay, so just with the same process, you can connect all of them according to your circuit that I already showed you at the previous at the earlier. Alright, once your hardware already connected one to each other, just make sure the pin module and or port number is reading properly, connecting properly. So now we are moved to prepare the software from the software side, which is including your script and your decision, simple decision. Remember that I said before that in my project I use I would like to put a specific condition, which is if the temperature is if the temperature is higher than 27, then the LED here should be on, otherwise it should be remain off. Okay, so we should the first thing that that is also important to consider, that is about the library manager. So here we should include the library here to read the hardware that we already designed here, that we already connected here. So for example, I use DHC, so I should include the DHC and ThinkSpeak, because the measurement of the humidity and temperature will be monitored directly through Internet of Things, which is I use ThinkSpeak. So that's why I should include that one. So once it's ready, and then you can just prepare your sorry, your code, your script for the software, the instruction, let's say. So the hardware should be follow the instruction that you arrange, which is your code here. So this is the include that I said before. You include the library here, and also this is for the for connection to the ThinkSpeak, which is from my I will show you after this. Okay, so this is also, and that remember that you should also put write down the decision, the rule for the LED. Okay, and then once they are ready, you can just press this button, start the simulate, to see whether they are working properly or need to be improved. Okay, now before we start the simulation, let's prepare for the ThinkSpeak first. So here it's already done because I already made my channel. So for example, you would like to make your own channel, so just open the ThinkSpeak and just click on this channel, and then you can create from here your new channel. So here I already made my own channel. So let's say I click on this, and you can see hold on. Okay, just let me go back to my, so from here, so you can see this is my channel ID. So you should put your channel ID also here, and then your in your script here need also your IP API key. So you just click on this, and then you can just copy paste your IP key here and put in your script here. Alright, so so now let's try the simulator. Okay, that seems like working properly, it's connected. Okay, so as you can see here, this is 28 and the LED is on. This is 28 because our decision is 27, so up to 27, higher than 27 I mean. So now sorry, now we wait until the temperature okay, so like for example now 23 and the LED is off. So let's check to here, it should be 23 and 71. Let's check. Yes, that is 23 and also 71. Okay, we wait until another measurement. Just make sure that our systems are running correctly according to our previous design, and also our rule, which is, so for example like here now 24 and the LED is also on 24, and this here is also should be according to this one, should be similar measurement, and also here like 34 and 49. So we can say that all the systems here are running correctly according to our design. So the first one, make sure that make sure that your hardware are connected properly. Your pin number, don't forget, it's also according to your microcontroller unit that you use. And also, because you will monitor through Internet of Things, you can choose whether ThinkSpeak or another infrastructure that you can use. And then don't forget also to add the that infrastructure, the channel that you would like to integrate in your script here, and whether you are connecting to Wi-Fi or different connection. So this is right now is 24 and 47, and here is as well, and the LED is off. So yeah, I think that's all about this project, and have fun before you're going to use the actual equipment hardware. So you can try by yourself with using the simulator. Have fun, and yeah, see you on the next summer course with a different subject, with also with more challenging one. Yeah, so have fun, enjoy.